are you today? I'm good. How are you, Rose? I can't wait to explore today. Plus, it's such a nice day out today. It's so sunny and all that. I know. We could do anything out here. We could probably hunt. I can ask Dad maybe soon we can learn to hunt because I cannot wait to learn to hunt. By the way, let's ask little bro if he wants to go out too. Hey, little bro. You wanna maybe hang out and go by the log over there?
Sure.
Okay, we'll do it later since it's like probably it's in the morning. It's morning time, so maybe we can go out later. But I cannot wait to explore. I'm gonna go ask Dad if we could explore later. And maybe they can go hunt for us for dinner. Because I'm hungry for breakfast, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Joshua?
Okay.
So, Rose, he said sure. So, I'm gonna go ask Dad if he's gonna hunt soon. Because I'm really hungry. Me too. And, okay, I can't wait to play with little bro. Sometimes he's annoying because, he's new to the pack. But it's alright. You wanna go play over there? Sure. Let me go ask Joshua too, since he's like playing, like doing something over there. Okay. Just make sure Dad can see you. Okay, I will. Hey! You sleeping?
Mhm.
Well, you wanna go play fight over there? I mean, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Later, we can go to that log. It's gonna be really fun.
Okay.
Come on, Rose. Okay. I'm coming. So what do you want to play?
Wrestle.
You want to wrestle?
Mhm.
Okay. Who's gonna go first?
Me.
Okay, against two. Pick either me or Rose.
Rose.
Okay, but don't cry if I do too hard,
Okay.
like you did last time. I'll be watching over here. Can't wait. Okay, we're ready? You ready?
Yes.
I got you. 1, 2, 3. I got you. It's okay. It's your first time playing. I'm gonna go ask Dad if it's time for to eat yet.
Okay.
Oh, you wanna come with me? Okay. Dad, you wanna come? I wanna hunt.
Yeah.
Can you go hunt for me?
Mhm.
Mom, well, can we go explore soon? Maybe. But maybe your big sister Charlie can maybe watch you something in case anything happens.
I'll do the horse.
I'm big. I'm big, girl. It's okay. Now go back to Rose. Okay.
I'm back.
Ooh, yay! Let me go get Rose. Rose, wake up. Why you fall asleep? Because y'all were taking so long. But did Dad get supper? I mean, breakfast yet? Ugh, yeah, I guess. Okay, fine. Let's go. Ugh, wait for me, Violet. What do we have?
We got this. I just set it down.
Is that a cat?
Yeah.
Just that? Fine.
Yeah, I saw a horse over there, but
You should have got the horse.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it.
Okay. Be nice to your dad. Be nice to your dad, King. Yeah, I think you should be nice. He's at least trying to feed you. It's only breakfast. Well, yeah, but fine. Whoa! Yo! Thank you, Dad.
Sorry.
Can you move it?
Put it right here.
Yay! Thank you. Can we eat now?
Yeah.
Yay! Little bro, Joshua, wake up. We got food.
Oh, you do?
Food. I'll eat. The adults will eat after the leftovers. We also got a cat, so we can deal with it.
I didn't completely kill it.
Honey, why?
So I can like have it as a pet and then choose the testers and then when they get starving, then we eat it.
Fine, honey. It's just a cat.
But if we're starving, we we have to eat it, okay?
Okay, fine. But the cubs want to go out soon. So, go out. I will tell them it's, a little bit dangerous. So, maybe they won't go past the log yet. But maybe they can pass the log tomorrow to see what's over there. I mean, it's just dangerous. I don't know what can be out there. It can be dangerous. Yeah, she's right. There can be anything out there.
True.
Yeah. So, after the cubs are eating, they'll go out and play. I just really wish there's more lions. I mean, they can help us hunt, bigger creatures, you know?
True.
Yeah. Maybe we can go looking for some later.
True.
I can go look for some. When? Maybe in a little bit. I just need to lay down for a bit. It's okay. Cubs, are you done yet? Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
Can we go out and play? Yes, Violet. Yes, Rose. Go. I don't care. And Joshua, you can go too if you want.
Okay.
Let's go. Hey, Joshua, wake up.
Okay.
Stop holding me, sis. Well, you're so slow. I have to. Ugh, okay. Where do we even go to? Let's just,
go over here.
over here. You get me in the grass. Sorry.
Camouflage.
You cannot camouflage, Joshua. We can obviously see you. We can't go past the log, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Let's just go over here. Maybe the log. Let me. You're not the Lion King, got it? You're not that powerful yet. Maybe you can be king soon. One of us will have to be the queen. But maybe we should get more cubs and more friends. Maybe let's go ask Sister Charlie if she can go search for more lions.
Okay.
Come on. Finally, you're done carrying me. I'm not that slow, by the way. We all know this. It's just that we have to. Because you're uncontrollable. I just made up an excuse. But, Charlie, are you going to go get any more people yet? Fine, I will. Right now. But stay here. I will be back. Okay. Okay, I hope we find good people. And I really hope